Hello and welcome to the review and tutorial of myuser.com. MyUser is a first autonomous B2B sales agent. You just set the budget and get users. That's what it claims on the landing page, right? So I'll show you how to actually set it up, how it works, I'll share the pricing, all of that good stuff. So let's start with onboarding. Whenever you start onboarding, you'll simply answer some questions, have a link to your website, review the pain points your product solves, so on and so forth. And then you should talk more in depth with an AI onboarder. As you can see here, you finish the registration and here it will say, I need to understand your product deeply. Can you tell me more about it? You say, sure. What do you want to know? Right? And you chat with this, and this way it will build a campaign for you and optimize everything for the best results possible, right? Since we gave it the website, it already scrapes and kind of makes a description about your product. You just need to tell it if it's good or not. And remember, the information you provide will be used to create campaigns and do everything. So be specific as you can, because the inputs will influence the outputs, right? So as you can see, we're feeding it information, everything that we have, all of our products, and it keeps asking us, is this correct? Is this right? Because that's basically the information that it will use to get us leads and everything. So, okay, it scraped everything as you can see. And now we are on the juicy part. We're done with the onboarding. Let's create the campaigns. Now, as you can see, it gave me two options. You can either chat for around 30 minutes to go more in depth, right? And this is what you should do. But for the sake of the tutorial, right, we'll just do onboard faster. You do that. And once you finish all of this, right, if you chat for 30 more minutes, you'll be able to create the campaign. Once all of this onboarding is done, you'll see your product created in the products. Here you'll have all the information that AI has written about your product. You'll see the pain points, problems your product solves, description about your product, that the market it targets, the total addressable market, right, the amount of leads you could contact, and it will start doing the job for you. You just set up the budget and it will do everything for you. You'll see all of the conversations with clients right here and all metrics right here, right? So simple as that. It's basically an AI agent that you chat to like as if it's a real person you're onboarding an SDR. It's just that it's AI and it works on your budget, right? So however much you give it to it, that's what it uses, and simple as that. I also suggest you take a look at this video. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.